Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 6 GB RAM. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and family-friendly tablet that balances performance, entertainment, and portability, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, Gray is a standout choice in its category. It's designed to handle everyday tasks smoothly while offering a premium multimedia experience, making it ideal for students, families, and casual users. Starting with performance, this tablet is powered by an upgraded chipset that delivers reliable and responsive performance for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, attending online classes, or playing casual games, the experience feels smooth and consistent. The 6 GB of RAM plays a big role here, allowing you to switch between apps effortlessly without lag or slowdowns. For a tablet in this price range, multitasking feels surprisingly capable, making it a great companion for productivity and entertainment alike. Storage is another strong point. With 128 GB of internal storage, you have plenty of space for apps, photos, videos, and documents. And if that's not enough, the expandable storage option allows you to increase capacity using a micro SD card. This flexibility ensures that you won't run out of space anytime soon, which is especially useful if you download a lot of media or work with large files. One of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus is its display. The large 11-inch screen provides an immersive viewing experience, perfect for watching movies, reading, or browsing content. The display supports a smooth refresh rate, making animations, scrolling, and video playback feel fluid and natural. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or playing games, the visual experience is sharp and enjoyable. The size also makes it great for productivity tasks like note-taking or using split-screen multitasking. Audio quality is another area where this tablet excels. It features quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, delivering rich, immersive sound. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or joining video calls, the audio feels full and dynamic. The surround sound effect adds depth, making entertainment more engaging without needing external speakers or headphones. This is especially impressive for a tablet and significantly enhances the overall media experience. Battery life is one of the most important aspects of any tablet, and the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus does not disappoint. It is equipped with a long-lasting battery that can easily get you through a full day of use. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or working, you won't need to constantly worry about charging. And when you do need to recharge, the fast charging support ensures that you can quickly get back to using your device without long interruptions. This makes it highly practical for travel, school, or everyday use. The design of this tablet is another strong selling point. It is slim, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The gray color gives it a modern, professional look, while the overall build feels sleek and refined. You can comfortably hold it for long periods without fatigue, whether you're reading, watching videos, or working on documents. The compact and portable design makes it easy to slip into a bag and take anywhere. Samsung has also included intelligent features to improve usability. With AI-powered tools like Circle to Search and Google Gemini integration, the tablet becomes more than just a media device. It becomes a smart assistant. You can quickly search for information on your screen or get help with tasks, which enhances productivity and makes the device more intuitive to use. These features help streamline everyday tasks and make the tablet feel more modern and future-ready. For communication, the front-facing 5MP camera provides clear and reliable video call quality. Whether you're attending online classes, joining meetings, or staying in touch with family and friends, the camera ensures that you can see and be seen clearly. Combined with the tablet's audio capabilities, it creates a great experience for virtual communication. Another advantage is the inclusion of a 2-year warranty, which adds peace of mind and confidence in the product's durability. Knowing that you're covered for an extended period makes this tablet a safer investment, especially for families or younger users. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus is an excellent all-around tablet that delivers strong performance, great multimedia features, and modern smart capabilities. It's perfect for entertainment, productivity, learning, and everyday use. While it may not be designed for heavy professional workloads or high-end gaming, it excels in its category as a reliable, feature-rich, and user-friendly tablet. If you want a tablet that offers a large display, powerful audio, long battery life, and smooth performance in a slim and portable design, this device is definitely worth considering.